How to choose a career, data analysis, data science job role. If you have curiosity to know this answer, just listen. Don't ever choose the job role of data science or a career towards data science. I have learned Python, SQL, uh, Oracle, or any related technologies. Don't ever choose because if you don't have a knowledge on business understanding, what is the use of choosing data science job roles? So if you don't have a knowledge and business understanding, stop choosing data science job roles because you will not get a job. If you get a job also, you cannot handle the job. So if you have interest on business and understanding skills and observation skills, then only you can start learning data analytics skill sets like Python, Power BI, SQL, like related technologies skills. So the main scenario is that if you have interest on business understandings, you have knowledge on business, then start choosing a data science job roles, then you can easily get a job.